all the data you are protecting so dearly, maybe it is not that sensitive. The information you are calling so sensitive, maybe it is not that sensitive. Second of all, अगर हमें information लेनी ही होती, अगर हमें candidate list लेनी ही होती, अगर हमें MLA खरीदने ही होते, then we could have like easily got it through bribing any of the IPAX employee. इसमें ED को involve करने वाली क्या बात होगी? Third of all, they are saying that maybe it is not the strategy that you are protecting so dearly. Maybe it is something else. Fourth of all, they said that you are the Chief Minister of West Bengal. You have taken the oath of the Constitution. It is your duty that you should be protecting law and order in the state. You should be upholding the law and order in the state. But you are the one destroying it. You are the one who came in between the raid and did all of this. What example are you trying to set? Like if you are doing this, if Chief Minister is doing this, what other people will do? Fifth of all, they said कि even if you say you didn't come there as a Chief Minister of West Bengal and you came there as the Chairman of Trinamool Congress, what was Suraksha Kafila doing with you? Are they also working for the Chairman of Trinamool Congress now? It is no more state police but Trinamool police now. Sixth of all, they said, Suvendu Adhikari, on which she blamed that she has evidences and all of the money is going to Amit Shah through them. He said, present the evidence within 72 hours. Otherwise, I will be the one who will be filing defamation case against you. Jagannathan Chattopadhyay also said that during the peak illegal coal mining, I was the journalist, I was a reporter, and I have all the evidences. If you don't provide the evidences, I will be the one providing them. Then seventh of all, they said, this is not the first time that you have disrupted the working of central agencies in West Bengal. There is a pattern to this. The Rajiv Kumar case, the Narda case of 2021, the SSC recruitment scam, Sandesh Thali violence case. Do you have any answers for this? Then eighth of all, they said, you have very conveniently turned this corrupt